Now students, so performance time F, in this we have to use DMAS rule, DMAS, DMAS rule. What is D means? Division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So in this way we have to do first, so we have to give the preference to division, then after that multiplication, then after that addition, then after that subtraction. So here first we have to simplify the division part. So this is the division part. It means 98 divided by 2 is how much? 2 4s are 8 and 1 is left and 8. 2 9s are 18. That is 49. That is 49. 100 same into 20 same plus. Then what is this answer? This answer is 49 minus 100. The second is over. Then after that, after division, so we have to give the preference for multiplication. Where is your multiplication? Here you have multiplication. Now here you have to simplify. First you have to multiply 1 with 2. 1 2s are 2. And how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. That 3 zeros you keep here. Plus 49 minus 100. After multiplication, addition. So where is your addition? This is your addition. Now simplify addition part. Then 2000 plus 49, 2049. 2049 minus 100. Now subtraction. At the end, subtraction. 2049, 102 minus 9 minus 2, 7. 4 minus 0, 4. Then we are in 10. 10 minus 1, 9 and 1. Then what is your answer? 1947. 1947. This is your answer. In this way you have to do first division, then after that multiplication, then after that subtraction, addition, then after that subtraction. Then here, first division part we have to do. 22 divided by 2. 2 ones are 2. Again this 2. 2 ones are 2. 11. 40 plus 2 minus 3. What is this answer? This answer is into 11. Into, just into as it is and 11. Then after that division is over, then multiplication. 40 plus 2 minus 3 11s are 33. 11 3s are 33. 11 3s are 33. Then after that addition, we have to add 40 plus 2, 42. 42 minus 33. 42 minus 33 is 9. 9 is your answer. 9, 33, 42 minus 33. Okay? 9 is your answer. Okay? Then in this way. First we have to do division. That is 48 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. Now 8. 4 2s are 8. What is our answer? 12. 12 plus 12 minus 2 into 2. After division, multiplication. 12 plus 12 same. 2 2s are 4. After multiplication, addition. Add 12 plus 12. 12 plus 12, 24 minus 4. Now subtraction. 24 minus 4, 20. Okay, this rule we have to apply. DMAS rule. First, we have to give the preference to D division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Okay. Now here, brain booster. In this first question, do the following multiplication divisions and write your answers in your boxes. Here multiplication, the product is given. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are given. So 4 numbers are given in these numerals. In these two numerals, so which two numerals we have to multiply? So then we get 1215 as an answer. So then what two numbers? So just check yourself. So 15, 65, 15, 18, 15, 25. So like that you have to check and you have to write your answer. It is 15, 81. 15, 81 into 15. 5 ones are 5. 5 8s are 40. Again we are starting with ones place, tens place. So here we take 1 0. 1 1s are 1, 1 8s are 8. 5 1. 4 plus 8 12. 1 2 1 5. Means 15 81 are 15. Here 15 81 are. We have to check one by one. Sign those in the two given terms. First means 50 or 15 you have to take and 65 you have to take. And first you have to check what is the answer. If your answer you are not getting this answer, then you go for 15 and 81. If you are getting that answer, then stop there. If you are not getting, again you check 15, 25. Like that you have to check one by one. Okay? Here 224. So which two numbers we have to multiply so that we will get 224 as our answer. Okay? Here see 12 sevens are we know. 12 sevens are 84. 32 sevens are once you check. 32 7 are. 7 twos are 14 and 1 here. 7 threes are 21 plus 1. 22. 224. 32 sevens are 224. 32 sevens are we have to write here. 32 sevens are. Now, here division. So, what two numbers so we divide so that the divider means the quotient is 9. This means we have to multiply this 9 with this number. 9 6 first 9 2s are 18. So no, there is no 18 here. And 9 6 are 54. Means these two. 9 6 are 54. It means so we have to take here 54. This is our dividend and the divisor is 6. If this 6 divides this 54, then our quotient is 9. Our quotient is 9. In the same way, 8. So if you multiply 8 with these two, 8 2s are 16. Here 16 is there. Means we have to take these two. Means if 16 divided by 2, if 16 divided by 2, the answer is 8. The answer is 8. So in this way we have to think and we have to find the two numbers from these given clues, and that two numbers we have to keep in the boxes. Okay. Now, so in the brain booster second question, do the following multiplications and divisions and write your answers in the boxes. Here this is a number given, that is 5,87,400. This number we have to divide with 10 and multiply with 10 first. So when we divide with 10, then what happened? Whenever we are dividing with 10, 100, 1000, so then how many zeros are there? First we have to check. Here 1 zero is there in 10. Here 1 0 will decrease. 1 0 will decrease. The remaining number we have to write. That is 5,8,7,4,0 till here. That is 58,740. So in this 5,87,400, so when we divide with 10, so we have to decrease 1 0. The remaining number we have to write. When we multiply with 10, then what happened here? We have to increase 1 0. So whatever number we have, that we have to take as it is. 5,87,000. This is our number. So one more 0 we have to keep. Total 4 zeros. So when we multiply, then we increase our value. When we divide, or decrease our value. Division means decrease our value. So multiplication means increase our value. So multiply means if 0 is there, 1 0 will increase. If divide is there, 1 0 will decrease. 1 0 will decrease. Then here 5,87,400 multiply by 200. Multiply by 200. So just to multiply this number first. Whatever number is there, first you multiply that number. 5,87,400. Multiply this number with 2. These two. Then 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0, 2 fours are 8, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16 plus 1 17, 2 5 are 10 11. This is our answer. That answer we have to write first. 7 4 8 0 0. So if we multiply this number with 2, this is our answer. Then after that more 2 zeros are there. When we multiply, the value will increase. So more 2 zeros we have to keep here. Okay. So this is our answer. That is 11 crore 74 lakhs 80,000. This is your answer. Okay. When you multiply, the value will increase. So when you divide, your value will decrease. Your value will decrease. Now here we divide with 200 means, so this number first we have to divide with 2 first. This is still here only. 5 lakh 87,400 no? Divided by 2. 2 twos are 4 minus 1 and 8. 2 nines are 18 and next 7. 2 threes are 6 and then after here 1 and 4. 2 sevens are 14 and 0. How many zeros left? The 2 zeros we have to keep there. What is our answer? 2937. And here we have 2 zeros. When we divide with 2 hundreds, the 2 zeros will get cancelled, means decrease, means don't take these 2 zeros. So here we have in division 2 zeros, so that is why. So here 2 zeros, so we have to remove. When division, if 2 zeros are there, then we have to remove 2 zeros. When 1 zero is there in the divisor, so then you have to decrease 1 zero in the dividend. If 10 zeros were there, you have to decrease 10 zeros in the dividend. So in that way you have to first check. Here the divisor is 200. In this divisor we have 2 zeros. In dividend, so we have to remove these 2 zeros. Means till here only we have to find. Okay. So this answer is 2937. This is your answer when you divided by 2. Okay. So 200, when we divided by 200, this is our answer. When we multiply by 200, this is our answer. When we multiply with 10, then this is our answer. When we divide with 10, this is our answer. So one more question is there, same question, same pattern, that you do as your assignment. Okay. Now here, next, tick the correct answer. So we have to tick the correct answer, the product of 623 and 17. So we have to find the product of these two. 623 multiply with 17. So then how to multiply first? See here, first multiply with 7 in short. 7 threes are 21 and 2. 2 here. 7 twos are 14, 14, 15, 16. 16 means 6 in 100 and 1 in thousands place. 7 6 are 42 plus 1 43. Now we start with hundreds place, tens place. Tens place. In tens place we have 1 0. So first we take 1 0. Then multiply with 1. 1 3s are 3. 1 2s are 2. 1 6 are 6. Then 1 9 5 10. 10,591. See here. So where is your answer? So second is your answer. This is our right answer. This is our right answer. Next. So in the product of 325, the digit dash is in hundreds place. Hundreds place, the digit is 0. How it is? See here. Tens 100. This is in hundreds place. If any number is multiplied with hundreds place, so the answer is 0 only. The answer is 0 only. So it is direct. So we know how to. So how to know this? It is a 0 or any other number. So this is general understood. So 5 with unit place means 25 with unit place. Unit place is 0. Then we will get 0. 25 with again a 0. That is also 0. So then hundreds place is also 0. Why? Because in ones place and in hundreds place both were 0. So that is why it is 0. So this is the right answer. This is the right answer. If you want to check, then check. 300 multiply with 25. 25 zeros are 0. 25 zeros are 0. 25 threes are 75. Ones place, tens place. In tens, no, ones place, tens, sorry. This is in ones place, tens place, and it is hundreds place. Here, this is not a hundreds place. This is ones place. This is tens place, hundreds place. If he asks tens place, that is 0. He is asking hundreds place. Hundreds place means you have to check. Ones, tens, and hundred. In hundreds place we have 5. So 5 is our answer, not 0, because it is a tens place. Before we explain that this is 0. 0 is in tens place, not in hundreds place. If he asks tens place, then that is 0. Here hundreds place he is asking. So in hundreds place we have 5. So 5 is our right answer. 5 is our correct answer. Okay. Now next, third question. So in that same bit, a pack contains 500 toffees. How many toffees are there in 25 such packets? Here 1, 2, 3, 4 options are given. In these 4 options we have to check which one is correct. Here see. So here a pack, so means a single pack. So one pack, for one pack, in a one pack 500 toffees were there. So he is asking 25. So unit quantity is given, more he is asking. If unit is given, more is asking, then what to do? So we have to multiply. If more is given and unit is asking, we have to divide. So these two things we have to remember. Unit, per unit, if we give per unit, so and asking more, then we have to multiply. If more he has given, then unit. If he asks, then we have to divide. Here, one pack, for one pack given, so 500 toffees. So then in 25, then how much? We have to multiply. 500 with 25. 500 with 25. So this is our answer. So division is wrong. Subtraction is wrong. 2.5 is also wrong. So only this one is the correct. So we have to take the correct one. Okay. Yes, now students, see here. Enrichment activity. So what is the use of this enrichment activity? So you should understand the division of a large number. How to divide large number? So you should know perfectly by doing this activity. So then what is our activity? What we have to do? So first material required, a dice, means dices. So like this, these type of 3 dices we need. How many? 3 dices. So a die has how many faces? 6 faces. This is 1, 2 and 3. Here 4 and here 5 and here 6. This is number 1. It shows 1. So if this will come on the top, so like this, then it is 1. So number of dots we have to count. If we throw a dice, then after that we have to check what comes on the top of the die. If 1 will come, so this 1 dot will come, so then we get 1. If 2 dots will come, then 2. Then if 3 dots will come, then 3. If 4 dots will come, then it's 4. Then 5 dots will come, so it is 5. If 5 dots will come, it's 5. If 6 dots will come, it's 6. So what is there on the top of the face of a die when we throw? So that represents our number. Okay. So this we need 3 dice. We need 3 dice. So your class, you people divide 5 groups. Total how many groups? 5 groups you have to divide. So in each group, first 3 students you have to select in each group. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3 students in each group. Okay. So all 3 students they have one die, one dice with you. So then if first students roll a die and thrown, so then if he get top on the die if he get 2 top on his die. First student, first one. First student, he got 2 on the top of a die, and in the similar way, second student, he got 4 on top of his die, and third student, if he got 3 on top of his die, so after that we have to form a greater number using these numbers. So first student he got 2, and second student he got 4, and third student he got 3. So and 2, 4, 3. So in serial, the first number is 2, second number is 4, and third number is 3. So we have to form a greater number using these 3 digits first. So what is the greater number you can form? Then 4 first, we have to take greater number first, then little than means less than this 3 and less than this 432. So this is the greater number we can form. So 2, 4, 3, these 3 numbers the students I got, and so by using these 3 digits first we form a greater number. After forming a greater number, so we have 5 number cards. How many number cards we have? 5 number cards. So this is first number on one card, second number on one card, third number on third card, fourth number and fifth number. Total how many cards are there? 5 cards. First, you divide this first number with 432. 432 first. So this first number you have to divide this first. And after dividing, you have to write here divisor as well as your quotient. Divisor and quotient. Then after that, second time, so the same group, second time they should roll again a die. So if first student you got 1 and 5 and 6 like this, 1, 5, 6 like this. So first we have to form a bigger number, so using these digits. So how many? If first student, if he roll a die, if he get 1 on the face of a top of a die, second student he got 5 on top of a die, and third student he got 6 on top of a die. Then what are the digits we got? 1, 5, 6. So we have to form a greater number, 651. So we form this greater number. Then after that, with this second greater number, so we have to divide this second number, and we have to write here divisor and quotient. In the same third time, so the same group, so they do this again. So they roll activity, so same, they roll the dice, and what are the numbers they got, they should write, and they form a bigger number. After that, they divide the third number with this third card. So then write here, so divisors and quotients. Okay, divisor and quotient. Then after getting all these 5 numbers, then find the total of these quotients. Find the sum of these quotients. Which group they got highest score, highest total, quotients total. So the 5 groups, in these 5 groups, which group they got highest quotient means total. So they will win the game. So this is the method to do. So the total 5 groups they should take the same 5 numbers, same, no change in the name. Only here this value will change. Why? Because when they throw the dice, it is not compulsory that the same number will come for all the groups. Different groups they will come, different groups they will get different numbers. According to that, so the divisor and the quotient will change. Quotient will change. If quotient and divisor will change, then the total also change. So then in which group, in this all the 5 groups, so in which group they got highest total, so it means the group that wins the game. Okay, so in this way you have to divide or given these playing card numbers with the digits. How we will form the digits? By throwing these dice, 3 dice. You should be prepared with 2 dice and number cards. Okay.